Let's take a look at this question. By gathering more evidence through substantive testing, an auditor can reduce what? So what can you reduce? If you collect more evidence, what can you reduce? Well, can you reduce inherent risk? And the answer is no. Remember, inherent risk is assessed. There is nothing we can do about inherent risk. Inherent risk is it's characteristic of the company. If 3 is out, we can take this one out. This is easy, and this out, and this one out. A and D are out because they include 3. Remember, inherent risk, it depends on how risky the nature of the company, the nature of their accounts, the nature of the people that work there. Now we're down to B and C. Control risk. Remember, what did I tell you about control risk? We also assess control risk. And this, you have to know that control risk is assessed because it's either high, medium, or low, and you really have to understand this. Also, you could eliminate this question, this answer, and this answer. Well, by process of elimination, we can only reduce detection risk. Yes, the more work we do, the less risk we are taking. We can reduce our detection risk. The less risk are taken, that we're going to be missing something out because we are lowering our detection risk. Think about it. The more work you do, if you sample if you look at everything, you have technically no detection risk, assuming you looked at it properly. But if you looked at only 90%, well, guess what? If you look at a sample, you may be taking a risk. How long is that risk? How big is that risk? Well, it depends on your detection risk. So the more work you do, the lower is your detection risk.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.